Alright guys, so we back, whatever, so we about to basically, we was just doing this video, whatever, kind of starting off. We about to start a new series, whatever, basically, cleaning up our house and also, you know, all the stuff that they messed up, and also kind of renovating and make it look a lot nicer than what it looks.
Yeah, the house is outdated. They built this house, what, 1970?
Yeah.
And it was only one owner, so I mean, it's not that bad, it's just outdated, so we're just gonna make it more modern to today.
Yeah, so hopefully, you know what I mean, y'all enjoy like all the little things we're about to do, whatever. I'm about to start working on the ceiling fan, taking that down, put a new light in there, so based on when we do paint these cabinets, we can, you know what I mean, have a lot better lighting, so if I do mess up or I did mess up, whatever, I can see it and I can kind of fix it and do whatever we're gonna do. So you know what I mean, hope y'all enjoy.
So right now we're just gonna start on the kitchen, and work our way around. Like each room has to be fixed.
Yeah,
so please enjoy all of us showing you all of that.
Yeah, it's gonna be it's gonna be a great learning experience for me, because a lot of stuff I never did. I just watch YouTube videos, whatever. So you know what I mean, but you know what I mean, we're gonna get it done, we're gonna make it look nice, and then hopefully y'all enjoy it. So you know, alright, peace.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Running up the dollar signs, yeah. Ain't no hiding from them hollow cans. Thing up like the Taliban. That's my paper, don't you bother mine. Yeah, Harry Patty on me, break my wrist off. Yeah, lift off. I got big dog status.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Big dog status, I'm a big dog vet. I pull up on the block in a big Corvette. Yeah, ride around the field with a stick all black. Try with a poker, we with all that.
Music licensing reimagined.
Made $1 million and I can't go back. Got a lot of jewelry on me, man, you can't hold that. 12 asking better, tell him that I ain't so crack. Know your money long when your people can't afford that. I'm ballin', yeah. My mama told me that did my calling. I keep that stick, I don't do no brawling. Open out the doors and let them all in here. Yeah, they all in here. Big dog.
Artlist.io.
Big dog. Heavy petty, got me break my wrist off. I'm young out of rock, you bout to lift off. 3, 2, 1. I got big dog status, I'm a big dog vet. I pull up on the block in a big Corvette. Yeah, ride around the field with a stick all black. Try with a poker,
Music licensing reimagined.
dog status, I'm a big dog vet. I pull up on the block in a big Corvette. Yeah, ride around the field with a stick all black. Try with a poker, we with all that.
Artlist.io.
Running up the dollar signs, yeah. Ain't no hiding from them hollow cans. Thing up like the Taliban. That's my paper, don't you bother mine. Yeah, Harry Patty on me, break my wrist off. Yeah, lift off. I got big dog status.
Music licensing reimagined.
On the block in a big Corvette. Yeah, ride
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Big dog status, I'm a big dog vet. I pull up on the block in a big Corvette. Yeah, ride around the city with a stick all black. Try with a stroke, we with all that. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Made $1 million and I can't go back. Got a lot of jewelry on me, man, you can't hold that. 12 asking better, tell him that I ain't so crack. Know your money long when your people can't afford that. I'm ballin', yeah. My mama told me that I did my calling. I keep that stick, I don't do no brawling. Open out the doors and let them all in here. Yeah, they all in here.
Alright, so I'm done. It looks a lot brighter in here already. So this is going to be good when we get to painting. And we got a lot of work on our hands. So peace.
Big dog status, I'm a big dog vet. I